Hello everyone, welcome on Protectio. Today I've got another accessories for my Honda Civic. It's actually the Protect over here with the lovely Civic tape, carbon tape. Everything is inside. It's put it in. Yeah, it looks nice. Should be okay. And all you need to do is first clean this properly to be sure you stick there without any dirt underneath. Yeah, it's sticker, and yeah, just stick it in and that should be okay. That means just clean it first. Just be sure you clean perfectly. Yeah, clean that properly. And once you clean perfectly, you see he's making scratches. That's why I want to protect. It's just stick in. I will put there just like here from the side, somewhere on the middle, like this, and probably push a little bit and bend it as well. Maybe bend it over here. No, it's just like here. I'll put like here. Yeah, let's go. Stick in. Just stick that properly. Just be sure it's not a bubble on then, and just push it straight and make it nice. Yeah, and this is how it looks like when you finish. Yeah, looks alright. Looks nice. And hopefully we'll hold it on the position. Just be sure you stick properly. Click like and subscribe.